A 24-year-old woman sustained serious burns when a jilted lover allegedly threw acid on her on Thursday after she rejected his marriage proposal. According to the police, the incident happened in a finance company where she worked. The woman was climbing the stairs when 27-year-old Nagesh, a garment factory worker, threw acid on her. She sustained burns in the face, neck, hands, and head. She was rushed to a hospital and her condition is said to be stable, they said. The police said the accused had been following her for many years every time the woman refused this proposal. A hunt has been launched to find him. To condemn this, a protest was held today in Bengaluru at Freedom Park.
ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಸಿಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಘಟಿತರಾಗಬೇಕು. ಆಳುಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಗಾರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಅವಳ ಗಂಡನೇ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದ. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ.
Sir, first thing is it is a very shocking incident and it is very painful also. The girl, it is very difficult for her to get back to her normal life. That is one thing. The culprit is abscond. Now the first demand is he should be immediately arrested, and the one more demand is immediately he should be given stringent punishment unless and until it keeps on happening. The second thing is the cultural degradation of our society, what is happening. That is one important thing, sir. Because of that, these crimes are increasing. So the obscenity, pornography, these things are increasing. The one more thing is the patriarchal attitude that is in our society. Adding to that, this pornography, all these things, that is leading to increasing crimes on women, sir. So the one more demand is she should be given proper treatment, free proper treatment. That is our third demand, sir. The law says he should be given 10 years strict imprisonment, but that is not sufficient. But that should happen immediately, sir. That is our demand. So people should know that he is punished immediately. So government should take measures to control the spread of acid, sale of acid. That is our demand, sir.